I told you 2024 is the... Hang on. Now we good. I told you 2024 is a year of 24 inches. We rocking the Griffey with the Griffey swag. Been saving this one for a while. Mark Henry from North Carolina. Bad boy, Rapid Red, Reserve Edition on 24s. Let's go. And that drone footage gets me so fired up, and so does our great customer, Mark Henry. Mark, longtime friend of Todd Smith and Nick Smith, right here at the Superstore. Repeat customer as well. Mark's a phenomenal guy, and he's had some amazing rides in the past, but never an F450 Reserve Edition like this one. I'm getting chills just thinking about him driving this bad boy in North Kakalaki. This Rapid Red is such a special color to me because it started it all. Our first F450 lot vehicle build, and since then we've been killing it in the accessory game, especially with the F450s. #1 in the country, changing the game, shutting the block down. We are the true king of F450. Mark's had a lot of amazing vehicles, but I just checked the top 10 board for vehicle sales across the entire country, and the Ford F-Series is #1 by a lot. So that says a lot and gives us the opportunity to take care of so many great customers across the entire country. So many legends rock the 24 number on their back, and so many great trucks of ours are rocking 24s as well. 2024 is definitely the year of 24 inches, and you got to stick around because each year coming, we got many special things in store. What a beautiful, elegant truck. F450 Platinum Reserve Edition in Rapid Red. A total transformation with our Reserve Edition paint package. Rapid Red on the outer perimeter of the front grille. A gate black on the honeycomb portion. Matching emblem combo to go along with it. All the details, top bump pad, middle portion of the bumper, a gate black, tow hooks to Rapid Red. People aren't doing it like we are. Trimmer valence painted to match as well. Everyone wants to leave that long thing right there, and it's no good. The details are not taken care of. You can see we got Kelderman action, dual steering stabilizer with Raptor shock, BMC dual LED fog light kit. The outer puts out 2.5 more times light than the standard Ford LED fog light, which is amazing, and the D series would definitely light the night up. Painted to match, Rapid Red to go along with it. Headlights, the chrome in there had to go away with the gate black and Rapid Red. Black on the inner. All the details on this one. A money truck. Everywhere you look, you're going to see elegance and class and detail. Side mirrors, texture gone. Rapid Red, a gate black cap. Even side markers, Rapid Red with a light smoke. Nobody's doing it like Wild Willies. Side badge, Platinum F450 Rapid Red combo. Left the 6.7 red with Rapid Red and black on the Power Stroke side badge. 5 to 6 inch Kelderman air ride, front and rear, money setup, Raptor shocks, Carly torsion sway bar to alleviate articulation. We're on 38, no more 37s. You see an F450 in the 5 to 6 inch range on 37s. It's not legit. 38s is the way to go, and I told you, 24s, baby, 24 inches. You know what's up. Nothing less than 24 inches strong, y'all. We got the American Force Doom all glossed up with Rapid Red American Force center cap, money setup. Standing tall, 38, 13.5, 24, Toyo Open Country, RT Trails, hybrid tire, the new, it's legit. You can see the radius arms from Kelderman, added articulation and clearance. We painted the Kelderman logos Rapid Red and black, all the details. Door handles were brushed aluminum. This upper and lower running board portion was chrome. We wrapped it up. Mark's logo, living large, baby. I love the swag and the motto. From Decked Out Factory, this is like a decking material you see on a boat for added detail and a confident step inside and out. Money setup. Side bed step, Rapid Red, a gate black on the top. Had to do it that way. Side markers, Rapid Red and light smoke. You know I love just a nice traditional straight spoke design, and the big deep dish on the Doom wheels from American Force, dually with adapter setup, is perfect. Wait till I get behind this thing, y'all. You know I love that rear, and this thing is line to line, looking amazing, representing the greatest country in America, one nation under God. Pace Edwards, power bed locker, bed cover, so low profile and discreet, the best in the business. Third brake light, rapid red, light smoke, roll with it. As we come back, you see the MBRP 6-inch tip, the perfect size and stature. And this rear is a one-of-one diamond right here. Look at that, a gate black, rapid red, all the details, even painted. The bed step portion, rigid SRQ lights, rapid red to go along with it. Look at this, look at this. Can't hang with us, y'all, I'm just telling you. Kelderman compressor and tanks are located in the spare tire location. Horn blaster train horn and a convenient airline for added confidence. You can see in the back the leaf springs are replaced with a 4-link system and a huge massive airbag for towing confidence and comfort. Even the rear diff cover, powder coated gloss black to match. I told you all the details, even the side bed step and the connecting pieces texture is gone. Now let's jump on the inside. Platinum interior presents itself so well with black leather with some nice contrasting stitching to go along with it. We got Starlight headliner, got the red going on right now to match the truck. 1,000 count is perfection, especially at nighttime. With a new Kelderman airlift module, bracket overhead with auxiliary switches, added convenience. You just can't explain the feeling when you ride in the Reserve Edition, baby. F450, the truck of all trucks. You want the biggest dog on the road? F450, roll with it, but throw a Reserve Edition package on it, rapid red fashion for Mark Henry. This is a game changer. Now, Mark's been in the whip game strong. He's had so many amazing rides over the years, but the first F450 is going to be a complete game changer for him. Throwing that wide body from line to line, riding on air in 38s and 24s. For everyone that sticks around to watch a kid from Georgia do what he loves and bring you all great custom trucks on a daily basis, man, I greatly appreciate it. It means everything. I'm never gonna let you down. What's worked for me is being relentless in what I'm trying to do on an everyday basis, making no excuses for myself and maximizing my time. When other people are socializing or wasting time or in traffic or watching Netflix, I promise you, your boy is studying, creating, and networking to be the best I can. To all the youngins out there, whatever you think you're doing right now, times that by 10 and then reassess. Never settling or being satisfied, always gonna grind, reach that next level. That's what life's all about. Mark, we thank you so much. And all the viewers out there, you have not seen the last of this one. We're going to North Kakalaki to check out his compound and see what all he's working with. And maybe we can show you some of his rides also. Appreciate you all so much. Peace out.